Tired of feeling bloated after every meal? These simple tricks can help you get relief instantly. Stick with me because I'm about to share 9 easy and simple tricks to stop bloating fast and get you feeling back to normal in no time. Bloating can ruin your day. It's uncomfortable, makes you feel self-conscious, and can even cause some serious digestive distress. Whether it's after a big meal or just a few bites of something that didn't sit well, we've all been there. But what if I told you there were simple tricks you could do to stop bloating in its tracks? In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through 9 simple tricks to banish bloating for good. So if you've had enough of that stuffed, heavy feeling, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Trick number 1, hydrate. If you think skipping water will help you avoid bloating, think again. Water is actually one of the best tools you have when it comes to preventing bloating. The truth is, dehydration can actually cause your body to hold on to water, which is what leads to that puffy, swollen feeling in your belly. Now, don't just drink a little. I'm talking about a solid amount. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and if you're feeling bloated, up that intake. Water helps flush out excess salt, reduces water retention, and aids in digestion. But here's a pro tip. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water to boost digestion even more. Not only will you feel lighter, but you'll also help ease that uncomfortable feeling of being overstuffed. So next time you feel bloated, reach for that water bottle before anything else. Trick number 2, eat slowly and don't rush your meals. We live in a fast-paced world, and sometimes we eat like we're racing against the clock. But eating too quickly can actually contribute to bloating. When you inhale your food, you swallow air along with it, and that air has to go somewhere, and it'll end up making you feel bloated. To avoid this, make a conscious effort to slow down. Take smaller bites, chew thoroughly, and savor the flavors. Not only will this help you digest better, but it'll also prevent that gas buildup that makes you feel uncomfortable. Plus, slowing down your eating helps you be more mindful of when you're full, so you won't overeat, which can also contribute to bloating. Trick number 3, avoid carbonated drinks. Carbonated drinks might seem like a refreshing choice, but they're actually a major bloating culprit. The bubbles in soda and sparkling water are filled with gas, and when you drink them, that gas gets trapped in your stomach, making you feel inflated. While a soda might sound good in the moment, it's doing your digestive system no favors. Instead, opt for non-carbonated drinks like herbal tea or regular water. Herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, and chamomile are particularly helpful as they help reduce bloating and gas. They'll calm your digestive system, soothe your stomach, and get things moving in the right direction. So, skip the fizz and go for something more gentle on your tummy. Trick number 4, try gentle movement. When bloating strikes, it's tempting to just lie down and hope it goes away. But sitting still for too long can actually make things worse. Instead, try some light movement to get things flowing. Going for a walk, even if it's just around the block, can help stimulate digestion and get rid of gas trapped in your stomach. A short walk helps your body process food faster and relieves pressure on your digestive system. Even gentle yoga poses can work wonders. Certain poses like child's pose or the cat-cow stretch can help relieve bloating by encouraging your body to release trapped gas. The key here is gentle movement, nothing intense or strenuous. Just a little bit of walking or stretching can work wonders in reducing that bloated feeling. Trick number 5, incorporate probiotics into your diet. Probiotics are the good bacteria that live in your gut and help with digestion. When your gut is out of balance, it can lead to bloating, gas, and even discomfort. That's where probiotics come in. They help restore balance to your digestive system and make it easier for your body to break down food. You can get probiotics from foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. These foods are packed with healthy bacteria that will help your digestive system run smoothly. If you're not into fermented foods, you can also try probiotic supplements. Just be sure to start with a small dose, as introducing new bacteria to your system can sometimes cause temporary gas or bloating. Incorporating probiotics into your routine regularly can help keep bloating at bay, ensuring your digestion is in tip-top shape. Trick number 6. Watch out for gas-producing foods. Certain foods are known to cause more gas and bloating than others. These foods include beans, lentils, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, dairy products, and carbonated drinks. While these foods are healthy, they can cause excess gas in some people. The trick here is to be mindful of your intake, especially if you're already feeling bloated. That doesn't mean you need to cut them out entirely, but moderation is key. If you know that beans or dairy tend to give you issues, try swapping them for alternatives, like lactose-free options or a smaller portion. For example, instead of a big serving of broccoli, try steaming it lightly, as this can make it easier to digest. Cooking foods properly can often help reduce their bloating effects, so experiment and find what works best for you. Trick number 7, consider herbal remedies. Herbs have been used for centuries to ease digestive discomfort, and some of them can work wonders when it comes to relieving bloating. Peppermint tea, ginger tea, and fennel seeds are all excellent options to reduce bloating and ease stomach discomfort. Peppermint has a soothing effect on the muscles of your digestive tract, helping to relieve bloating and gas. Ginger helps stimulate digestion and reduce inflammation, while fennel seeds can help relax your digestive muscles, allowing any trapped gas to escape. You can drink herbal teas throughout the day or even chew on a few fennel seeds after meals to help keep bloating at bay. These natural remedies are gentle on the body, effective, and a great alternative to more chemical-based treatments. Trick number 8. Try a warm compress. When bloating strikes, sometimes all your body really needs is a little warmth to help things move along. Applying a warm compress to your stomach can do wonders for relaxing your abdominal muscles and alleviating discomfort. Heat encourages better blood circulation, which helps to ease the buildup of gas and allows your digestive system to process food more efficiently. Simply take a towel, soak it in warm water, and wring it out so it's not dripping wet. Lay it over your stomach, and if you want a more intense effect, you can use a heating pad for about 10-15 minutes. The warmth will help soothe and relax your stomach muscles, making it easier for any trapped gas to escape and for your digestive system to function better. Trick number 9. Reduce your salt intake. We all know that salt is a big part of our diets, but when it comes to bloating, too much sodium can be a major contributor. Excess salt in your system leads your body to retain water, which can make you feel puffed up and uncomfortable. You may not even realize how much sodium you're consuming until you start paying attention to what you're eating. Processed foods, canned soups, fast food, and even some restaurant meals are often loaded with hidden salt. The tricky part is that you might not taste it, but your body will definitely feel it. When you eat too much sodium, your kidneys struggle to get rid of the excess, and as a result, your body holds on to extra water, causing bloating. To tackle this, make a conscious effort to reduce your sodium intake. Start by cooking at home more often, as this gives you control over how much salt goes into your meals. Choose fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, which are naturally low in sodium. When you do use salt, go for healthier options like pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, which contain trace minerals that can be easier on your body. Now, the real issue with bloating often comes down to a few common causes: overeating, dehydration, gas buildup, and poor digestion. But the good news is, all of these factors are manageable. With the right approach and some lifestyle tweaks, you can learn how to stop bloating fast and feel comfortable again in your own skin. These 9 tricks don't just help you get rid of bloating in the moment, they also help prevent it in the future. Imagine feeling light, comfortable, and in control of your digestive system. It's totally possible when you put these simple practices into action. No more bloated belly or tight waistband, just smooth, easy digestion and a happy, healthy stomach. These tricks are simple, natural, and effective. No need for complicated diets or expensive treatments. Start using them today and say goodbye to that uncomfortable, puffy feeling. Hit that subscribe button now for more easy health hacks.